bridgeMLS is thrilled to announce the integration of restb.AI in Paragon Connect. restb.AI reads photos that you've uploaded to your listings and generates labels and captions for them, as well as public remarks. Today I'm going to show you how to use restb.AI in Paragon Connect. In the listing input module, you want to first upload a set of photos. restb.AI will automatically scan them for information, and you'll see a preview of generated labels and descriptions. From here, you can edit them as you see fit, or remove them entirely by clicking on the X in the top left corner. If you want to save the labels and descriptions, simply choose Save in the top right. Once you hit save, you'll see a confirmation message. You can always go back and alter the labels at any time by clicking on the photo, then the hamburger menu, then Labels. restb.AI can also generate public remarks for your listing. At minimum, you will need at least 3 photos uploaded, and the address, city, and state fields must have a value. Once you have all of these things, simply click Auto Generate and restb.AI will create public remarks for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you save time on your listing input.